Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has informed the stock exchanges about an upcoming meeting of its board of directors. Proposal for borrowing up to 35,000 crore rupees during the financial year 2027 to 28 through similar sources including domestic bonds. HFCL Limited has asked its shareholders to submit tax-related documents by August 16, 2026 to claim lower or nil tax deducted at source on the proposed fiscal year 2025 to 26 dividend. The company said its board has recommended a 20% dividend or Re 0.20 per equity share, face value 1 rupee. The payout will be made after shareholders approve it at the upcoming 39th annual general meeting. State-owned Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency has set up a Seva stall for devotees attending the Jagannath Rath Yatra in Puri. The stall was inaugurated by Chairman and Managing Director Dr. Bijay Kumar Mohanty at Bada Danda near Gundicha Temple. NBCC India Limited has secured new domestic orders worth 85.64 crore rupees, excluding GST. The contracts include projects for NALCO, IDPL, the Archaeological Survey of India, and Power Finance Corporation, covering construction, maintenance, and project management services. Today marks a proud and historic day for Indian Railways and the entire nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off India's first hydrogen-powered train from Jind station in Haryana. This is not just another train launch. It is a bold step towards cleaner air, lower fuel costs, and a more sustainable future for millions of daily commuters. RVNL has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Government of Goa. The agreement aims to strengthen cooperation in identifying and executing important infrastructure projects across the state. RVNL will act as the project executing agency for these initiatives, bringing its proven expertise in delivering large-scale projects on time. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Limited, has invited domestic competitive bids for the balance of system package of its 110 megawatt wind energy project at Khavda, Gujarat. CBI has arrested the managing director of Karnataka Antibiotics and Pharmaceuticals Limited, a central public sector undertaking, in a bribery case. According to the CBI, the accused demanded a total bribe of 15 lakh rupees from a Bhopal-based private firm that works as an authorized service agent for KAPL in Madhya Pradesh. REC Foundation, the corporate social responsibility arm of REC Limited, has signed a Memorandum of Agreement with UPSIC to provide RO-based water purification systems in 20 MCD government schools across New Delhi, reinforcing its commitment to improving basic infrastructure and student welfare in government schools. NTPC Limited, India's largest power generating company, has informed the stock exchanges that its board of directors will meet on Friday, 24 July 2026 to consider and approve important matters. Key agenda is to announce unaudited financial results for Q1 FY27 and raising of funds.